How to add Cash App to Apple Pay. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To add your Cash App to your Apple Pay, it is pretty simple. Firstly, you have to navigate to your wallet application. So tap Open your wallet. To add your Cash App to your Apple Pay, it is pretty simple. At the very top, you will see the plus sign icon. You have to click on the plus sign icon at the top. From here, you have to toggle on Enable Cash Card, Show Cash Card Info, then select on Add to Apple Pay. Hold your iPhone or iPad near the card reader to scan your physical cash card or manually enter the card details. After it, once it is successfully added, you will see a prompt like this. You'll be directed to Cash App to verify the addition as well. Follow the prompt within the Cash App to complete the process. By this way, you'll be able to add your Cash App to your Apple Pay. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.